Hi everyone, welcome to Data Scene. We are starting a new challenge, and in this challenge, we will learn one Excel formula every single day. For supporting this series, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and support me with the like and comments. So let's start. Today's formula is SUMIF formula. The SUMIF formula is an extremely powerful and widely used mathematical formula in Excel that allows you to sum the numbers in specific range of cells by filtering them according to multiple conditions or criteria. For example, in this dataset, I will use SUMIF formula to find the total revenues for electronics in category and wholesale in sales channel. For applying the SUMIF formula, first of all, I click the cell and then type the equal sign with SUMIF and then select the range. The range is the column where we will search for our requirement criterion. Here we are looking for the word electronics in the category column. And then I choose a criteria, and the criteria is also what we are looking for. In this example, I'm looking for electronics, so that's why I choose electronics cell. When the conditions is met, the range of numbers in which we want the Excel to sum. So that's the revenue column in our example. And when you close a parenthesis and click to enter, you will see the result. So let's do the same for the sales channel. I'm typing the equal sign and formula and choose sales channel as range and choose wholesale as criteria and then choose a revenue and done. So we learn what is SUMIF formula and how to use it properly. I hope you find this formula very useful. See you in next video.